The Mobile Smart Factory is a modular container factory that ensures flexible and reliable production capacities wherever needed.
The system consists of 2 containers, one operating and one production unit, and is equipped with cutting-edge 3D printing devices.
It enables a cost-efficient and fast supply of metal and plastic parts by covering the entire additive manufacturing process, including pre- and post-processing. The control unit consists of a PC workstation, industrial polymer printer, scanning system, and storage area. The on-demand production starts with the digitized component using a CAD software. The available scanner allows for a fast and simple creation of digital files if no CAD data is available. All parts identified in a parts screening process during the customizing process of the Mobile Smart Factory are stored virtually in a component database. This avoids excess inventory and guarantees an efficient production. Once the data preparation phase is completed, the data is transmitted to the 3D printing unit. Next, the production materials needed for the 3D printing process are selected from the storage area in the control unit. This includes wire reels, building platforms, and various tools. The 3D printing system is the heart of the production unit and customized based on your individual needs.
For the printing of metal parts, we use a multi-optional 6-axis machining center that combines wire arc additive manufacturing with milling and drilling in one clamping position.
After starting the printing job manually, no more supervision is needed. The machine measures the building panel and starts the 3D printing of your component through a layer-by-layer application on the building platform. The built-up part is then finally machined by CNC milling. If needed and compatible, pressing tools are installed to smooth out the surface roughness of the component. A final tactile measurement ensures the provision of functional end-use parts. In case of a spare part repair, the machine scans the component before printing. At the end of the production process, the final part is measured again to ensure the correct dimensions. The operator can now safely remove the component from the machine.
After the visual check, the part is ready for usage.
Mobile Smart Factory, your modular and independent factory in a box for a flexible and reliable additive part production wherever needed.